like to join my live with either Taurus Riley or Ding Dong or Bishop Escobar. These are people who are close to Shenseea and people who would love hear them views. You understand? Yeah, would love hear them views on the situation, yeah, with the interview thing, you know? Yeah, because Taurus Riley as a Rasta man, I'm always a promoter and always a saying proud of her and all of these things. So would I like hear from him opinion if this is another proud moment for him as a Rasta man. Then you know Ding Dong is a street youth, a hardcore dancer artist. You know? Would I like hear from him views as well. And then you have Bishop Escobar now, who is a part of them team where him is a hardcore street selector, real street youth. So would I like hear for them views, you know? Sometimes me always I give my opinion. Me not want to give my opinion on a situation. Would I like hear from somebody who love and care for her and mean her good and rate her. You understand what I say? One of our team member them, you see me? Yeah, so if you could have tag Taurus or tag Ding Dong, Ding Dong a pre-made from the silent rave or something. He not chat to me, but I don't have a problem. I'm bigger than that. I'm willing to have a discussion with him now and hear him views on the whole thing. You know, we can't act like she not say what she said or ignore the facts that she said what she said. So I'm gonna like hear one out of the three of them views. No, I hear from Romeich, because we know Romeich don't feel anything. Oh, and Romeich, I have said this to Romeich as my brother. Him not to chat to me again neither. And me and him not link. We not war, but we not link. I know them in them feelings. But Romeich, you're not a friend here. Romeich, you don't have any friend here. Romeich, you don't have any friend. Because them dead with you, skin them teeth, boss, my boss, and them same one, I send around them voice note and laugh off of you. I say you're an idiot and a chat a bag of things. Some people not gonna ever tell you what go on, but me, Foota Hype, you know me in the business. You're not a friend. You don't even have one friend. Not even one. You understand? You don't even have not even one friend. Not even one friend you don't have. Just sit down in your chair, look into yourself, lock your office door, and listen to my voice. You know if you like me, you know if you deal with me, Romeich, but you look like you're blind or you need an eye opener, say, you not have no friend. The people that around you where you say your team, them not like you. Them not like you. If you hear some of the voice note, them and the sitting them where them are sitting around, boy, you people around you will laugh off of you. You not have no friend, my brother. You could have said, oh, I like Foota and chat to me. Me am more friend to you than anybody we around you. Because them not tell you the truth, you know. Them hate you, them say you face to you disgusting, you this people, you pray. When them say your boss, my general, me done, me this, me that, you're not a friend. Them not like you. He laugh, them and laugh for you. But that is not what I really want to talk about. You see me? But more people want to tag Taurus Riley for me, please. Or tag Ding Dong or Bishop. I want to merge live with one of them. I want to hear them opinion on the whole interview. Me tired for talk. Me not say nothing. I have nothing to say. Me want to hear somebody else's views. All the white people that hear my views and hear my stands and hear what me I say. You see me? You see me, so? hear that girl and know why me feel somebody else to explain to me about somebody else. Everybody a bombard my DM and ask me my views on Shensea's interview. I don't want to speak on it. But you have people, man, where they run her, where public entertainer to Tyrus Riley, Ding Dong, Bishop, them a man, them run there, them in I camp. Would I like hear for them views? What wrong with that? Why me read your comment? Can you write your comment? So why you write it if you know I'm read it? Underscore pretty foxy or pretty roxy or whatever. Yeah, me just want to hear different views. Sometimes I'm me alone for have views. Nobody else not say nothing. So why me even say something? I want to hear from people where they run or support her as a sister and them support her as an artist and everything. So why we can't hear from them? Why me one and I can't hear from? Why and me one and I hear from? That's what I'm saying. And I say, oh, I don't know like how I done Spice. Every time I come out and speak, we have a problem. That's what I'm saying. So now I don't want to speak. I want to add somebody to the live, make we hear different opinions. Because sometimes I'm a Foota Hype opinion alone, and if you hear, what's wrong with that? Why you not DM me then? Why you not DM some people who see her as sister? I think Taros, as a Rasta man, is the right person to hear in my opinion. And Ding Dong as our brother we encourage her to be signed, like what she said. Just give them views and me one for talk. I've been talking for years. So it reach a point now when I flood me Instagram, when I flood me DM, when I flood me text, why am me when I flood me text? Why am I alone? Come, let's hear some other people's opinion. What if I am wrong? What if I am wrong? What if I am wrong? Sometimes we need some second opinion. Am I wrong or right? Yeah, so really and truly would I like have a conversation with Taros on the live here, or Ding Dong, or Bishop. Somebody say, why does their opinion matter? I don't know what they do behind closed door. But this now nothing for do behind closed door. It was a public interview. It was a public thing. We not try to be private with a public thing. You understand? It's a public thing. It's a thing we're in the public space. In a public domain. You understand what I say? So we just want to reason upon the live and hear them. What are their views on it? That's all. I don't know. I not imply nothing. I just want to hear for them views. Especially, I swear, especially Taros as a Rasta man. Because I see him compliment her straight. When she do the good something, him compliment her straight. Him yes, and him put it up and him say, yes, my sister, do it. Proud of you. All of these things. So I am wondering if this is a proud moment also. And that's all I want to know. Ding every day I'm sister and we run the world and take it to them sister. So I am just wondering if this is a proud moment also. That's all. I have no idea. I don't know. He's a public figure and he's an information person. And we like hear information from people who really dead with her and people with their own her and people who compliment her all the time. So I'm just wondering if these are one of the proud moments. You understand what I say? Especially as a Rasta man. This have make me not stop say this. Especially as a Rasta man. Would I really love hear from Taurus on this. Especially Taurus. If Taurus not available, Ding can join the live or Bishop. Anybody. When I'm not listening, you know, we not say for anybody else would I rub them. Remember say Shenseea the things when me rub a road more than one time. I am saying now, I have been the one to always speak how I feel and I want to know how other people feel. Yeah, me not just want to be the hungry one where I know me alone have feelings. Everybody must have a feeling and an opinion towards certain things. Some would have just like hear Taurus or Ding Dong or Bishop opinion towards this interview to see if it's a next big milestone for the music or it's a big milestone for Sheng or if them feel proud of her for saying the things that she said. That's all. Me not go like me I want nobody, me not want nobody. I am